Hello children. Our subject for today is maths. We are back with our new video. Today we are going to learn lesson number 9, Symmetry. Children, what do you mean by symmetry? Yes, symmetry means similar. जो चीज थोड़ी हमें similar लगती है वो होती है symmetry. Children, in this lesson we are going to learn about symmetrical and non-symmetrical figures. We will also learn open figures and closed figures. So children, let's start. Children, first of all, observe this leaf. There are many veins in this leaf. But in the middle, there is a vein that runs the full length of the leaf. Children, can you all see this? Children, can you all see this? Now, we will fold the leaf along that vein. Children, what do you see? Yes, one part of the leaf exactly falls on the other. Now, fold the same leaf in different ways. But children, what do you see? One part of the leaf does not falls exactly on the other. बच्चों आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे? Now we will see another leaf. Very first, we will mark the middle vein. Now, we are going to fold the leaf along that vein. Children, can you all see this? Yes, the one part of the leaf exactly falls on the other. It means we can say that the leaf is symmetrical. Children, what we can say? We can say that it is symmetrical. Now, I am going to fold leaf in another way. What do you see? Yes, it does not fall exactly on the other. This portion is remaining. So means if we will fold the leaf in this way, this first part and the second part does not fall exactly on the other. So children, in this lesson, we will learn about symmetrical figures and non-symmetrical figures. Children, if the two parts of a figure made by a line fall exactly on one another, then the figure is said to be symmetrical figure. Children, here, are you all able to see these dotted lines? Yes, that line is known as the line of symmetry. This line is known as the line of symmetry. This line is known as the line of symmetry. The same way, this line is known as the line of symmetry. Children, if you will fold this part on this, you will get the exact portion. It means आपको दोनों साइड कैसे मिलेगी? इक्वल मिलेगी. एक जैसी ही दूसरी साइड रहेगी. It means they will fall exactly on one another. Such figures are known as symmetrical figures. Children, we will see few more examples of symmetrical figures. Are you all able to see this heart? Children, now tell me, which line it is? Yes, this line is known as the line of symmetry. If I will fold this heart along with the line, the one part exactly falls on the other. Means we can say that this is a symmetrical figure. Now see this. This is another figure. Again we will fold. The one part exactly falls on the other. So this is a symmetrical figure. Now children, tell me which figure it is. Yes, this is a triangle. We will fold the triangle by using the line of symmetry. After folding, you will see that one part exactly falls on the other. Means this is also a symmetrical figure. Now children, look this figure. We will fold. What do you see? Yes, this is a symmetrical figure. So children, I hope now we are very clear about symmetrical figures. Children, symmetrical figures and non-symmetrical figures, they are opposite from one another. If the two parts do not fall exactly on one another, then the figure is said to be non-symmetrical figure. Children, if you will fold this figure by using this line of symmetry, you will see that this part is different and part 2 is different. If you will fold this figure from the middle, means from the symmetrical line, you will see that the part 1 will not exactly falls on the other. Means this is a non-symmetrical figure. This figure is not symmetrical. Children, now see the third example. Here the design is different and here the design is different. Then we can say that this is not symmetrical. We will see few more examples. Children, now by using this line of symmetry, I am going to fold the paper. Children, look this part 1 and part 2. They are looking similar. They are symmetrical. They are falling on each other exactly. No, means this figure is not symmetrical. Children, which figure it is? Yes, this is three-sided figure, means our triangle. I'm going to fold this triangle by using the line of symmetry. You can see the difference. Part 1 is shorter and part 2 is longer. They are not falling exactly on one another. So, this figure is not symmetrical. Means this shape is not symmetrical. See third example. Fold the paper along with the dotted line. After folding, you all can see they are not falling exactly on one another. So we can say that it is not symmetrical. Means it is non-symmetrical. Now see this. We will fold the mango along with the dotted line. Children, whether they are falling exactly on one another? No, this portion is remaining. So, can say that it is not a symmetrical. Students, I hope you all understood the difference between symmetrical figure and non-symmetrical figure. Now we will move further. Now children, your next question is, determine whether the figures given below are symmetrical or not. You have to follow the line of symmetry. It means our dotted line. Children, what do you see? Both the sides are looking similar or not? Yes, they are looking similar. So we can say that it is symmetrical. See the next example. Both the sides are looking similar. No. So it is not symmetrical. See the third example. Whether both the sides of pot are looking similar. This is part 1, part 2. Yes, they are looking similar. It means this is a symmetrical figure. So we will write here symmetrical. Students, I hope you all understood the difference between the symmetrical figure and non-symmetrical figure. So let us move further to our next subtopic, that is closed figures and open figures. Children, the figure that starts and ends at the same point is called a closed figure. Children, your first example is of triangle. If a triangle is starting from a point A and ending at point A, so we can say that it is a closed figure. ये आकृति, ये चित्र कैसा होता है, ये फिगर कैसा होता है, तो ये बंद किया हुआ फिगर है, क्लोज्ड फिगर. इसके वर्ड से ही आपको पता चलता है ये कैसा है, क्लोज्ड फिगर. एज दे स्टार्ट फ्रॉम A and end at A. See the second example. It is starting from A and ending at A. So this is also a closed figure. आपको कहीं पे ओपन स्पेस दिख रही है, कहीं पे ये फिगर खुला हुआ दिख रहा है? नहीं, मतलब ये कौन सा फिगर है? It is a closed figure. Children, see the third example. This is a quadrilateral. So children, it starts from A and ends at A. So this is also a closed figure. Open figures are opposite to this. The figure that starts and ends at different points is called an open figure. Children, see the first example. It starts from A and ends at B. This much space is remaining. ये जगह तो खुली है, मतलब ये कौन सी फिगर है? Open figure. See the next example. Yes, very good children. This is also an open figure because it starts from A and ends at B. This space is remaining. This is open. So, it is an open figure. See the third example. It starts from A and ends at B. So children, this is an open figure. So children, now we are going to solve question. Cross the open figures and tick the closed figures. Cross the open figures and tick the closed figures. Children, see the first example. Yes, the first example is closed. Here it is closed. Here also it is closed. So, this is a closed figure. So, for the closed figure, we will tick. See the next example. This is a question mark. So, children, it is open from here. From here also it is open. So, what we are going to put? Cross or tick? Yes, we will put cross. See the next example. Yes, it is closed from all the sides. So we can say that it is a closed figure. So for the closed figure, we will put right. See the next example. Mango. Children, mango is closed from all the sides. It starts from A and ends at B. So children, this is also a closed figure. So children, what do we put for the closed figures? Yes, we will put tick. So children, I hope now we are very clear with the concept. Symmetrical figures and non-symmetrical figures. Children, in this video, we also learnt about open figures and closed figures. So children, you all will revise this chapter and you will watch this video again and again. Thank you.